Please, guys, welcome Chef Vincent.
Aloha. How's it?
So let's start. What kind of mangoes are these?
These are local mango, so I'm going to show you how to cut it out.
Okay, you gonna show me?
Yes, I'm going to show you.
You gonna show me how to cut up a mango?
You have a special way to do it?
Is this a challenge?
Yes, it is.
All right, well, here, you use your big butcher knife.
Okay.
I'll use my nice paring knife,
Okay.
and we'll see.
Yeah, I'm going to cut it like this.
Oh, you're wasting all the goodness. What kind of thing is this?
We throw that away.
Excuse me.
Wow.
This is quality fresh fruit. You don't just throw away quality mango. Okay, please show us how you...
So you take the outside off like this, see?
Okay.
Like so. You cut it again. And then we just take the inside.
Oh, okay.
Out like this. And then you just... Voila.
Beautiful. That is magnificent. So sweet, right?
Yes.
Cayman's finest. Is it my turn?
Yes.
All right, so I'm gonna do old school. Sorry.
Oh yeah, it's okay. That's all right. My grandma used to do the same thing.
Well, call me old. Listen, some things are better left traditional. And I'm gonna put away my paring knife. I'm gonna use your special sharp, dangerous knife.
Be careful. Voila.
There you go. Now we
Let me
have,
clean this up a bit.
and I'm gonna do it fancy like yours. Boom!
Oh, nice, nice. So you can see the difference. This is the local mango, beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
This is probably sour. This is from the U.S. or something like that.
I know.
Totally different.
Yeah.
This one is much sweeter.
It looks
It's like butter.
It's almost like a papaya.
Yes.
Interesting. See? Things in Cayman are just sweeter.